Light camera action.
Oh yeah. Oh wait.
Guess what? What is this? Why the texture is not same to the US?
Babe, we bought what was online. Okay, so what's supposed to be on top? How's the flag go? Red on top, red on bottom.
Blue.
Blue on top?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
Wait a
What?
second
Oh
here.
my God. How you put that? The whole mount is wrong.
No.
Yeah, this one.
Yeah, but
Right?
yeah. But this is gonna be showing backwards, but
Yeah, why they?
I have no idea.
Oh my God, why they? No, that is
What's on
wrong.
top? Blue?
Blue.
You sure?
Yes, sir.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
Maybe I'll see about ordering a new one today, baby.
No.
This is for hanging in your house. This is for hanging in your house. Cause that don't make any sense.
Yeah, look at.
It's stupid.
Yeah.
I don't like it. Yeah, it's backwards.
But this is one we show.
Right. This
It's
is
okay. It's okay, labs.
Alright, babe. I don't like that.
No, it's okay. Cause when it's the wind blow. And then we put eagle.
Oh yeah, that goes on top. Let's hold it up.
On June 12 is like Independence Day of the Philippines.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Alright. You love your flag.
Of course, aren't you supposed to love your flag?
Oh, what is the national anthem of America?
Huh? What is it? You got the tone right. That's the right tune. You have to know that.
Every
become
day
a
I
US
heard in the
citizen.
radio.
To become a U.S. citizen, you have to know that. Okay.
All right. Pero mali talaga. I'm not totally happy na ang ating watawat ng Pilipinas ay baliktad yung pagkakagawa. So, kailangan na lang natin ay gawan ng paraan. Guntingin ko na lamang po. And plano ni hubby ay orderan ulit ako, pero baka mamaya ganito na naman ang ibibigay. So, sayang lang. May paraan naman. Mas maganda na siyang ganito na lang. Guntingin na lang natin. Para sa ating kapag pa ba yan? Oh, look. It's not different. Okay?
Right?
So now,
Yeah, it's different.
good thing that
Well, hang
we
on.
can...
Let me see that. Let me see that. See this. If I flip this
Oh.
and make it match up,
Oh, blue.
yeah, you can sew it back together like that.
Oh,
There
Lacey,
you
he's not.
go. Your husband is so smart.
Why Lacey? I don't... I thought it's a big problem. So I was...
Ta-da! Fixed. See?
But
You wouldn't let me buy her a new one.
no way. There's a remedy of that. How about we take it out na lang this one so that I don't sew it. Right? Yay! But it's so pain or something. So since I'm lazy to sew it now, so I'll just cut this.
Hey, tuck it in.
Over there?
Yeah, inside. Yeah,
Over there?
yeah.
And then... So that's me.
It should be crazy.
Rico.
Don't leave your finger out. No, this ain't tea.
I'm bakla.
I don't care. It don't matter.
I'll put it over here.
No, you carry it however you want.
Well, we'll put it over here. Bayang magiliw, palasin silanganan, alam ang puso, sabit na buhay. Lupang hinirang, buyan ka ng magiting, sa mangunguti, di ka pasisihin, sa dagat at bundok, sa simoy at sa langit ng bundok, may dalagang tulad, awit sa paglaing ng mahal, ang dasap ng watawat, mo'y tagumpay na nagdiringin, ang bituin at araw ng kailang pa may di magdidilim, lupa ng araw.